I built my table saw outfeed table with a FlexiSpot standing desk so that if it's cluttered, I can raise it up out of the way and still make table saw cuts. But this causes me to lose outfeed support, so before I can call this project finished, I need to fix that. So there we go, the table's up and workpieces are still supported. Alright, I'm jumping ahead to the finished build because I gotta give a shout out to FlexiSpot again for hooking me up with their beefiest E7 frame for this build. It can lift up to 350 pounds, so the top I made is a piece of cake for it. And as you can see, when I'm planing or hammering close to the edge, it's still very solid. Their standing desks are of course built with desks and workspaces in mind as their intended use case, so I appreciate FlexiSpot being open-minded to workshop build to show off something different. So thanks for the support, and if you're watching this video right when it comes out, check out the description for a sale that they're running right now. Now let's get this build finished. In the first video, I used drawer slides to put this little sliding section into one corner of the bench. Now I'm going to turn it into a tail vise. What you're seeing is the install process for the dog posts and tops that I sell. The tops need a 1 5/8 inch hole drilled, and the posts need a 3/4 inch hole drilled all the way through the bench. That's what you're seeing here. And the magnet is 3/8 inch, so I'm drilling the holes in the little lip for those magnets that hold up the steel dog posts. The tops are available for sale in hard maple and Jatoba. So for this build I decided to do something a little different. I'm starting with hard maple, but I'm using dye to color the outer sleeve really dark to give it just a little bit of contrast. I thought it turned out pretty cool, so just an option for you if you want to go the cheaper route on the dog tops, but still have them be more visually interesting than plain hard maple. There's a twin turbo vise going on the end of this bench, so I size up the CNC cut jaw starter kit before putting it on the bench. My main bench has dogs built into the jaw, so when I use it as a tail vise, the board overhangs the edge of the bench. Seth Miller, who is a twin turbo vise customer, came up with a design that keeps the workpiece on the bench when it's clamped at the edges, and that's what I copied to do this design. The video popping up in the top right is Seth's build of this design. Definitely worth watching. He does some things differently than I did. Especially cool how he uses mag jigs in the design, so definitely check that out.